Nephew, what the hell you doing?
I'm itching, I'm itching real bad.
You scratching like something on you, like something crawling. What you done got into, nephew? Oh my God.
I ain't got into none, It's itching real bad. Feel like something crawling on me. It won't stop itching.
You done been down the street, ain't you?
Yeah, Unc, I did.
Now, didn't I tell you everything that look good ain't good for you? Teenagers, when y'all gonna learn?
Yeah, but she was fine though, Unc. What I'm gonna do?
You see what fine got you? Now let me see.
Okay, but that's embarrassing though.
Now let me see. Them things everywhere. Boy!
I told you it was embarrassing, Unc. What we gonna do?
Well, nephew, there's only one thing we can do.
No!